Hi, this video is on how to change the assignment associated with a indicator or outcome after you've changed the outcome itself. So in the case of first grade, they made a change to identify the topic and give an opinion to the ability to recount two events from a narrative. So this one, if I click on it, I can see when I click on view all submissions that it's actually grading that a narrative one that they've changed, but it's still called identify topic and give an opinion, so they just kind of don't match. So you just want to change this to match. So to change it, all I do is go over here to edit settings, and where it says identify topic and give an opinion, I might want to put the entire description of the new narrative down there, recount, and you may want to change this, I don't know, narrative. This may not be descriptive enough, but so if I just change that, and now I go down, hit and save and return to course, now when I see this recount a narrative, I know that's the one associated with the narrative topic, so I can go into click view all submissions and change their narrative outcomes there. If you didn't know if this goes outside the page and you can't see it all, it may be because these other things are open, and I can close all these other things by just hitting the minus key. So I may not need the email address, obviously, or the status. This grade is the actual numeric grade. I don't need that one showing up. I might want to hide this. You can see as I hide these things, now this shows up more easily, so I can grade those as appropriate and see them easily on my page. So you might want to hide all of them except for, and you can see I just hit the minus, all of them except for the outcome that you want itself. And then now you can see it says narrative next to it, and it starts to make a little more sense of my page if I hide all that extraneous stuff when I go in to do the grades. So now I can click on my grades, grade against the narrative for this assignment, and when I'm done, I just make sure I save them all, and I uncheck notify all students all the time. You don't need them to get a email when you put their grades in. So I always click no to notify students, and then save all my quick grading changes right there when I'm done. That's it on how to change an assignment. Again, it's just the edit settings here, and this thing we see up top when I edit the settings, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the page because I don't. This assignment name here is really the only place we see that is up here on our quarter one indicator stuff. So it falls in a little bit easier for us there. And hopefully that helps.